Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tasha Marie and I am going to be bringing you a eye tutorial. So I'm not sure what look I am going for. I'm just going to wing it. But before I start, I just want to say that I am not a professional makeup artist. I have never been to school. I am self-taught. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I am still learning. So yeah, let's get right to it. So I am going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I love this palette because this palette you can like create so many different looks, and I love a palette that you can do that with because this is a good palette that you could travel with. So those are the colors there, and I think I'm going to start off with the color Rustic here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And the brush that I'm using is by the Crayon Case. And it is a large blending brush, and I love this brush. It's like so soft and it's just perfect. So again, I'm going to just use the color Rustic as my transition shade, and I'm just going to go right up in here and just begin to apply it. And I do it in circular motions as well as back and forth. And so I like that. Like I said, I'm still learning, but so far I do like it. It's just giving me a nice little color right up in here. And I'm sorry if I'm looking this way because I can see it, but you guys get the drift. So you're just going to keep blending. Okay, so I'm going to tap into that color Rustic again, and I'm going to use it for this eye as well. Let's see. I will say I'm going to go, I like this color Sienna. Oh, sorry. Sienna. Oh gosh, I'm gonna get better. So this brush here is it's a medium blending brush, and that's also by the Crayon Case. As y'all can tell, I love the Crayon Case. Super Scent, shout out. Okay. And then you always want to tap because you don't want a lot of product on your brush, and then you want to gradually add your product. And this, I'm adding the Sienna because it just kind of give it, ooh. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back. I dropped my palette, y'all. So as I was saying, you're just going to put it right here where the crease go. And I like to tap it and build that color up. And don't worry about the mess because you're going to clean that up when you do your foundation and all your concealer and things like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? It's really going to make me upset. Hopefully this is better. I'm not sure. I hope it is. So you can kind of see that the Sienna is really not giving me what I'm looking for, so I think I'm going to go in with this Burberry just to get some color. We gonna see. So let's try it. I'm just gonna dap that. said, we're going to clean that up, so no worries. So you can see the difference here. And then you'll just take your bigger blending brush, what you started off with, and kind of just blend those colors together. Okay. And then once it's to my liking, I then start on the next eye. Now I'm not finished. We're gonna finish this eye, but you guys will see. You'll see how it comes out. So I'm gonna take the smaller blending brush that I use for the sienna. And I'm not sure if I can just go directly to the mulberry since I but I'm going to just start with the sienna since I tried sienna. Put the sienna on my eye, on this eye. I want them to match, so do the same thing for this eye. Now I'm going to go in with mulberry, this color here. I'm going to tap it. And I'm going to take this same brush that I use as my transition shade, and I'm going to put the rustic, and I just kind of tap it over here where I created the transition, and I just blend those colors so there's nothing harsh. Okay, here we go. All right, I hope you guys can see this. So, all right, and then I'm going to apply my concealer here. All right, so I'm back, you guys. I do apologize. I hope you can see it, the payoff like I see it. I am working on getting the light and all that. Just bear with me. I just wanted to give you guys a video so you don't think I'll be playing. So yeah, just bear with me, guys, okay? So now I'm just going to apply me some concealer. I'm going to apply some concealer to my eyelid so I can add another color. So this is what I'm about to do. So I got a little brush. Sorry, it's a little messy. But this is just a little small, like tapered, flat brush. It's a concealer brush, but I use it for concealer. Duh. So yeah, it's just a small flat brush. Y'all, I'm trying. I'm just gonna put a little right here. I'm gonna follow my crease. So this takes some concentration, so I won't be talking too much, but I'm just going to apply it to my eyelid and follow the crease. Okay, so I just applied that to the crease. I'm just going to add some color to it, and I just apply it because when you put your color there, it just kind of makes it pop, if it makes sense. But yeah. Uh-oh. I shouldn't have looked up. But since it made the cut crease, I'm just going to go ahead and finish that up. going to go in with the bronze. And I'm going to use a flat brush. And this is, I got this from the Vanity Planet. Yeah, Vanity Planet. There's no name, but it's a flat brush. Sorry, flat brush. I'm just going to tap right where I put that concealer. And just tap it. Pretty. And then I'm just gonna go in with this color. It's either between Cypher or Mulberry again. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go in with Cypher. It's this color right here. And I'm taking the medium blending brush by the Crayon Case again. And I do clean the brush. I got this from the Crayon Case. It's a brush cleaner. And you just take your thing, your brush here, and it just takes all that color off. So, again, Cypress Umber. And I'm just gonna tap off the excess, and I'm gonna just kind of put it right here on the end of my lid, just to give it that complete look. I take that and I just kind of build it around that of what I just did. I just take it and just build it around. And that is the outcome of that eye. And so I'm just going to finish up the other eye. This is taking longer than I expected. Okay, y'all, I am back and I have completed my face and even threw on some earrings. And you know, so this is the final look. Again, I'm just learning, and please don't be too harsh. I did not realize how hard it'll be to do a tutorial. The time it takes to, you know, and it just didn't go as I planned. Like, you know, me not feeling like the colors were showing up. You know, the equipment that I need. I just feel like it's hard, but I'm not gonna quit because Rome was not built in a day. I know I need the equipment. I know what I need to do, and just bear with me, rock with me, and stay with me. I'm gonna get us there. I'm gonna get this channel there. And so I just thank you all who subscribe. And if you have any suggestions that you know, until I get the equipment, what I could do, please leave it in the comments. Or if you have any ideas that you would like for me to do, what you would like to see on this channel, please leave in a comment. Again, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like the look, and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.